Are you searching for the best digital board for your classroom? Now stop looking at basic hardware displays because you need a complete educational ecosystem. Today we are looking at Sensus Electronics, India's undisputed leader powering over 1 lakh classrooms with a massive 70% market share in private institutions. They don't just sell screens, they deliver a zero subscription AI powered digital board revolution with lifetime free updates. Now let's look at their flagship series, the robust Sense Edge and the Elite Sense Pro, which packs an integrated 48 megapixel AI camera and 8 mic array and top tier biometric security. Driven by an Intel OPS dual OS setup featuring Windows 11 Pro. Sensus is also the very first digital board in India to run on lightning fast Android 16 for ultimate security and zero lag multitasking. The magic lies in SenseBoard, driven by their proprietary curriculum-aware Sensus AI, fully aligned with NEP 2020. This is not your standard generic AI. It intimately understands Indian board structures like CBSE, ICSE, ensuring every search, generated images, and explanation is 100% safe and perfectly tailored for student learning. Now say goodbye to carrying heavy books because SenseBoard embeds official NCERT textbooks directly into the digital board for full offline access. Here, teachers can instantly generate MCQs, chapter summaries, and customized adaptive quizzes for any page or uploaded PDF using text or natural voice commands via the intelligent quiz utility. Transform complex concepts into visual masterpieces. Sensus natively integrates PhET simulations, GeoGebra, and PolyPad directly into the teaching canvas. You get a massive library of over 5,000 grade mapped 3D animated models, specialized chemistry tools, and smart handwriting recognitions that solve complex math equations step by step live on screen. Here you can browse educational YouTube videos completely ad-free while using Sensus AI to instantly extract transcript notes from the playback. Also, you can enjoy a limitless auto-scrolling canvas, instant text extraction from worksheet, images, and seamless three-finger swipe gestures to effortlessly add pages without ever breaking your teaching flow. Here you can experience truly hands-free teaching with Sense Assist, their custom voice assistant trained strictly to respond only to the authorized educator's voice. Post-class instantly share the entire digital board canvas via a secure encrypted QR code, WhatsApp or email. Plus, teachers enjoy secure password-free QR Cloud logins for their Google Workspace. For school management, Sensus entirely redefines campus administration. The integrated Sense-I uses facial tracking to automate attendance and monitor classroom attention spans. Admins can take full command of the campus with Sense Manage for centralized panel control, Sense Talk for live PA broadcasts, and Sense Watch for camera supervision. Also Sense Connect for wireless casting and Sense Capture for seamless session recording. Stop paying recurring monthly fees for basic software features. Sensus gives you a world-class AI digital board with a flat one-time investment, zero hidden cost, and lifetime free software updates, fully backed by their in-house, non-outsourced pan-India service team. Visit their official website or call to book a free institutional demo today.